So the first step was to sign an NDA, so a non-disclosure agreement, to make sure that everything we will see will stay between us. Then we got a prospect where we saw the numbers, some financial information. It was a bit of an overview of how the business was running. And at that point, and also the asking price. And at that point, we say, thank you very much. We are not interested in this business. The price is too high. The history of the business is too short. There is too much manual work involved. We are not interested. But they kind of ran after us saying, yeah, but we thought that you could be the right buyer. Let's sit down. So we actually went to visit them because they live just 1 hour away from Amsterdam. So we went to visit them. We sit down together. And well, we saw that there was room for negotiation. So we decided to continue. And we changed our mind. Basically, we decided, yeah, this is interesting. Actually, it's a very nice business. The next step was a letter of intent, LOI. That is, I think it legally is not binding, but it's a formal step in any acquisition where you basically saying that you say that you are interested in this business. You put down what your offer will be. Again, this is not binding, but yeah, it showed the intent, and usually the seller will stop looking for other buyers, so you kind of get priority, and yeah, you get the time and all the information. You will get the time and attention you need to go to the next step. The next step is the due diligence. Due diligence means check everything on the website. We will see more about due diligence later. But basically, it's to check that everything that they say so far is true. And then you get to draft the contract, and the final phase is the handover. So how do you get to start working on and taking over the business?